Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to empty the Google Photos trash step by step. If you've already deleted photos or videos and want to permanently remove them from your Google account, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos homepage, open the trash section. Here you'll find all the photos and videos that have been deleted but haven't been permanently removed yet. Take a moment to review the items in the trash. If you still need any of them, you can restore them before emptying the trash. If you're sure you no longer need these files, click the Empty Trash or Empty Bin button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to permanently delete all the items in the trash. Click Delete Permanently or Empty Trash to continue. Google Photos will permanently remove all the files from the trash. This process usually takes only a few seconds. Once it's finished, the trash will be empty, and those photos and videos will no longer be available in your Google Photos library. Keep in mind that permanently deleted files usually cannot be recovered, so make sure you no longer need them before emptying the trash. And that's how you can easily empty the Google Photos trash. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.